from Waldorf Astoria in Dubai and Palm. It's my first time here, and actually I stayed in Palm before, but not in this area. So I'm really looking forward to this stay. As always, I will show you everything and I will give you my feedback at the end. So stay tuned and let's go to check in. This is the reception area. Beautiful. You can sit here and have a coffee if you want. It's really nice. I am already in my room, guys. Wow, we got upgrade. And it's massive apartment. I will show you. Let's go. It is 134 apartment on the first floor. Starting here, we have a toilet. It's really nice, beautiful. Here is the living room. Beautiful. Huge TV and a cabinet. What we have here? Yeah, mini bar. Maybe other side. Yes, nice. It's not included, but anyway. It's got complimentary water, coffee machine. Yeah, we have some. Here is the bar. Price. Yeah, that's actually. That's expensive. I was checking the beer and yeah, it's 60 or 58. I think it's expensive. It's usually around 40 in hotels, but yeah. And let's go to the dressing room. I'm actually really slow today because I hurt my leg, so bear with me, please. There is no much light, but I think you can see it. We have a safe. This is hard dryer. Lots of storage. Really nice. If you want extra pillow, there is extra pillow. And these bathrobes. Oh, wow, that's amazing. I love it. Beautiful. Let's go to the bathroom. This is massive, guys. It's so huge. Amazing. Nice bath. I guess this is a toilet. Oh, opposite side. Yes, so we have a toilet here. I can hear the water. But okay, that's fine. And the massive, really huge shower. Wow, it's so big. Wow. And it's beautiful. It's really, really nice. I love it. Two sinks here. Amenities. Everything is nice and clean. Perfect. And we are in the room, which is massive as well. A huge king size bed. And TV. And let's go to the balcony. Wow. Check the size of balcony. I think you can hear some noise. That's from down there. They are building new hotel. Hopefully it's going to finish soon, because I don't like it. Oh no, it's actually from our hotel. It's something there. Okay, they do some construction work here, so it's not from the other hotel. Nice. Accept to the noise, yeah. I love it, I love it. I don't like the noise, but yeah, it's fine. Hopefully it's not going to be for so long. We actually have two rooms here because I am here with my parents, and I will show you the second. It's not that big like the first one, but it's lovely as well. Let's go and check it. This is room 377. We have a wardrobe here, plenty of space. Yeah, everything what you need. But I can't see bathrobes. I don't like it. I would love to have a bathrobes. There is a slippers. So small. Minus point. Maybe I will find them somewhere else. I will say. Here is. Oh, okay, bathrobes are here. Oh, again the fluffy one. So no minus point. Bathtub. Amazing. Lovely. A TV over there. Beautiful. A toilet. Again, everything is really clean, nice, modern. And a shower. Oh, this is actually weird. Okay, so it's opening inside. It's fine, and it's not that big like first one, but it's big enough. And let's go to the room. This actually can be connected, so if you are staying with kids or families, you can connect both rooms. And this is the room itself. Massive bed. TV. A minibar. Oh, this is empty. Strange. Glasses. Now we have just one. Tea, coffee machine, and we have a Max here. Okay, so there is no minibar in this room, which is strange because there is a price list. Let's check the view. Balcony is actually stunning. It's huge. Beautiful. And this is the other side of a palm. And again, a lovely view. Beautiful. I love it. That's really nice. That's beautiful. Really, really nice. I like lots of trees, lots of grasses here. You can play some games. Nice. Table tennis. I don't know how this game called. I played once. It was actually lots of fun. Here is the pool. It is closed now because it's early morning. The pool is open from 9 till 8 p.m. which is actually good. I know in some hotel they close it early. There is a bar also and a restaurant over here. This is nice. You can have a lunch or maybe even dinner. I'm not really sure the timing of this restaurant. I still don't know what I can find here. I guess here we have some tennis court. Going closer. Sorry guys, I'm really slow with my leg. Yeah, I'm clumsy sometimes. Yeah, a tennis court here if you want to play, or if you have a lot of energy you can do it. I love the nature effect here. It's really, really nice. I think this is the way to the pool. Oh, it's lovely. This looks like adult pool. Yeah, I think it's just adult. And this is the way to the beach. Oh, you can see the downtown. Morning. Good, good. How are you? No, it's fine. Thank you. It's really nice. Oh, the view is stunning. It's a bit cloudy, but it's fine. You still can see the beauty of Dubai. Oh, lovely. And it's big, so plenty of space if you want to come. Yeah, it's good. Beautiful. I'm going to check out from Waldorf Astoria and Palm Dubai. Uh, Firstly, I paid, I think it was 160 plus minus pounds for room with a breakfast for 2 adults for a night, which I think is kind of reasonable for this area. It's not too bad. Uh, yeah, I was happy. Yeah, and I can't complain. It was really nice stay. There was like minor error. For example, my parents, they did not get a turn-down service on their second date, but yeah, mostly pleasant stay. I will definitely come back again because the location is lovely and you can really enjoy some relaxing time here. Let me know if you will stay here and how you like it, and see you later with another review. Bye bye.